everybody. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe for a lot of real, authentic content, days in the life, and everything in between. I do a lot of different types of videos, and it's meant to really showcase a true day in the life. I don't like to sugarcoat or make things seem bigger than they are. It's just like I show you like what it really is. It's a fun time. Today's Thursday, and honestly, all of my videos are currently being uploaded like a day or two late. Sorry about that. Hopefully next week they'll balance out and be on the same day. Today is my errands day. I'm going out and about in the city, picking up my laundry and bringing it upstairs. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I'm going to get my eyelashes done, and then I'm gonna get my nails done later today. In between, I'm gonna come home and eat and work while I'm being mobile and going on the bus. I like to do my sheets at least once a week just to keep them fresh, obviously. So that's what I'm doing right now, and they're done. And I'm gonna like run them upstairs and then leave. So I will take you along with me on this day in the life. Actually closing this Target, so a lot of things are gone. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is a Target I used to go to so often when I worked downtown, and now it is closing. Like, look, oh my god, it's like all empty, at least some things. And I did pick up this. I do use this every single day, but look at how empty it is. Oh my god, crazy. Trying to resist the urge to get a snack. Oh, they have full candles. Me wanting to buy a candle. I just might. They have so many. There's one called Fall Day. I feel like I have to smell it. So I ended up getting this one. It smells super good, and it's on brand because it is fall. So these are my two purchases, and then I'm gonna go to UPS right after this. Crazy. It's always a struggle to film in public. Oh, there's a different Pilates class. Not been down here in so long. This is so wild. But like I said, running errands, and I'm dropping off something at the UPS store right now. So I'm just gonna walk in. So I just dropped it off, and it is what it was an order from Amazon that honestly, they took a very long time to deliver, so I already spoke with them prior about wanting to send it back. So they sent me the prepaid return label, so that all works out for the best. We are on our way to get my eyebrows done. I've been needing to get my eyebrows done for, well, actually, I guess not even that long. I try to get them done once a month because my eyebrows don't grow super fast. but they grow decently fast, I guess. And now I'm gonna go get them done. It's always when I want to be on time is when I'm late, and we're working on it. Working on time management. I feel like I'm also craving a Joe and the Juice, which is right across from me, but I'm not gonna get one. This is FiDi. I worked literally 3 blocks away from here for 3.5 years, which is wild. So it's crazy coming here literally now only once every blue moon, because oddly enough, my eyebrow lady is over here. I feel like I kind of miss this area a little bit just because it's so common to me. Like Mendocino Farms is over there. I always get Senior Seasig, which is over here. A lot of fun moments here in this area, but I needed a change. I've also been loving taking public transportation because, let's be real, Uber and Lyft are so expensive and it's not sustainable. So I've honestly been just taking the extra time to take public transportation, although it can be unreliable, but it is a good mode of transportation. So after this, I'm gonna go from the FiDi to the marina to get my lashes done. Currently, I'm waiting to get my eyebrows done. I don't really make an appointment. They don't really do appointments. They're really more of a walk-in place. One is already getting them done, but honestly, it takes less than 10 minutes to do mine. I mean, they're like average hair. I don't have too much hair. I don't have like little, but yeah. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit and get them done, and I can't wait to just be fresh and clean and new. And then my lashes, oh my goodness, cannot wait to get those done right after this. And then my nails, like my nails are so grown out. And next week I'm getting my hair done, so I'm really excited about that. But like I was saying, I like to get my hair done every 2 months, lashes done every month, and then my eyebrows every month. So the last time I got them done was the day before my birthday, so September 30th. So it's been over a month. So we are due for some TLC. I hope everyone's having a great day. It's actually pretty sunny in San Francisco, which is great, but it's brisk. It's brisk, sunny, and that's just a typical fall morning here. So excited about this candle that I got. I also brought snacks because I know when I'm out and about I don't eat. So I mentioned this in another vlog, but I love eating my Clif Bars. I have them all the time when I'm on the go. And then I brought an apple, which I'll probably eat later, but I'm gonna eat some of the Clif Bar now because I won't get to eat for another like 2 hours because the lashes take about an hour and a half and then commute time home. So I'm glad that I brought food to sustain myself. Okay, everybody. Good news is that I got my eyebrows done and they look really good. Bad news is that after the eyebrow appointment, I sprinted uphill 3 blocks to try to make the bus, and I just missed it. Sounds of San Francisco. So right now I'm in Chinatown, and I am just going to kill time before the next bus because, like I just said, Uber is crazy expensive, and I'm not trying to do that. I just feel so bad because I pushed my eyelash appointment back twice already, and now I'm already gonna be late to this current one. So that is frustrating. I'm upset at myself, but it's not my fault. Eyebrows usually take 10 minutes flat or less, and it took way longer. And the lady who was before me took forever. So that's unfortunate, but like I said, I'm in Chinatown, just on a street corner. At least it's pretty around here, so I'm just taking in the view. Next is eyelash appointment. Hello again. It was kind of crazy to get to my appointment. I was almost late, but I did make it on time. And I just wanted to show the eyelashes. They look really good. She did such a good job. Her name's Sophia. She's amazing. And I go to Lisa's Lash Spot, and she did an amazing job. She took her time, and yeah, so shout out to Sophia. And they look really good. I'm really pleased with it. Things are coming together. I'm gonna do my nails later today and then my hair next week, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. It's really sunny in San Francisco too, so happy days, and one more appointment done.